Looking for a credit card that gives solid cashback rewards? You won't believe what happens next when you look at the RBC Cashback Preferred World Elite MasterCard. Here's my honest review. This card is designed for everyday spending and offers high cashback on all purchases. You earn a higher percentage on groceries, gas, and recurring bills, and a standard cashback rate on everything else. Over time, this can add up significantly, especially if you are consistent with monthly expenses. One of the key perks is no limit on cashback earnings. Some cards cap your rewards, but with this RBC card, your cashback accumulates without restriction. Redemption is easy too. You can deposit rewards directly into your RBC account or use them toward purchases. Additionally, cardholders enjoy travel benefits, including travel insurance for emergencies, rental car coverage, and access to exclusive offers. The card also provides MasterCard benefits like price protection and extended warranty coverage. The annual fee is moderate, but the cashback potential usually offsets the cost if you use the card strategically. The only downside is the higher interest rate, so it's best for those who pay off balances monthly. In conclusion, the RBC Cashback Preferred World Elite MasterCard is excellent for Canadians looking to maximize cashback on everyday spending while enjoying travel and purchase protection perks. It's practical, rewarding, and straightforward. Subscribe to learn more about credit cards that make your money work harder.